Hey everyone, Brandon here, and I'm going to be showing you guys today the most comprehensive way to test a car battery. Now I'm here today with my van, and as you can see here I got this thing. This is called an oscilloscope, and this is what's going to allow us to do the best kind of battery test. Let me explain to you guys. We have the battery here, and usually you would test a battery by using something like this. Now you hook up just both leads to the battery, and then you would cycle through all the options. You would just give the data for the battery, and then this device would put a load on the battery and it would give you a result. Now these do work, but they're not as accurate. Now the difference, I have the oscilloscope right here, like I said. The difference with this is that it's going to use the actual engine as a load to test the battery. And it's going to do that because we have two channels here. Now one channel, we can hook it up right now. One channel is going to be going straight to the battery, so we are going to be monitoring the voltage the same way as the handheld tester does. Now the difference between the handheld tester and this test method is we have this. Now this is incredible because what we can do is we can hook it up to the power wire that goes to the starter motor, and now that starter motor is what turns the engine when you start the car. And we have the arrow here. We're going to be figuring out how much current is being drawn from the battery while at the same time monitoring the voltage. So it's going to give the system a lot of data to go off of here. And all we got to do is just hit the start button, and it says please start the engine. So let's go ahead and follow those instructions. And I need to find my key. The keys are in my pocket. We're going to go ahead and start the car. Then we're going to go back to the laptop and see what the hell is going on here. So, like I said, it's the most accurate way to test because it gives you all this data here. And then it gives you all of the results at the bottom. So we have a state of charge is 100%. Our battery seems to be good. The lowest voltage was 8.7, which is a little low. So that's okay. I mean, there is a big load on the engine. There is a big load on the battery, I mean, when you're starting the car. It gives you the starter motor resistance, and then it gives you the charging circuit status, and everything seems to be good with the system. So this is actually a very accurate method. If the battery is not fully charged, it actually is fairly accurate with telling you the state of the charge and basically like the state of health of the battery. And that was very quick. It just took us a couple minutes to give that. And what you can do here is you can even print that out. So the battery test is as simple as that. We have the PDF here. We'd be able to print this out for the customer, and we'd be able to detect issues early on. Say this car just came in for a basic service. Just hook this up quickly, perform the battery test. We'd be able to tell a lot of things early on and just do the maintenance for the client. And it's a very accurate way of doing it. So that's all. If you have a Pico scope, I suggest that you do this for your customers. Have a good day, everybody.